Hi, my name is Ishita Thumati and I'm going to demonstrate the procedure of washing hands. Okay. Mhm. So, washing hands is a very important and basic task which in order to maintain personal hygiene and good health, it prevents the spread of pathogens and germs from one person to another because our hands are really feasible environment for germs and bacteria and pathogens to grow and multiply. And since we use our hands a lot during work, they're really easy to spread to another person. So washing hands is a really important task. Also, more so in any health occupation, basically, since they have to really take care of patients, and you don't want any infections, like spreading to the patients. So it is a really important aseptic technique which prevents the spread of infections from one person to another. So in the procedure of washing hands, in order to do it the right way, we will use soap and water. And when using soap, we use soap from a liquid dispenser instead of the actual bar of soap, because bars of soap may also contain microorganisms on them. So using a soap from a liquid a soap dispenser is much safer. So for first off, we will use a clean and dry paper towel to turn the faucet on, because we do not want to touch the faucet and uh, like cause the germs to get on the faucet, which will contaminate the faucet. So we will use a dry and clean paper towel and turn the faucet on, and make sure that warm water is running all over our hands, because warm water will increase the lather that is produced from the soap, which will make it easier for the pathogens to get trapped in the soap suds that will be produced in the lather, and they will get rinsed away really easily. And we also have to make sure that we're standing a little away from the sink so that we do not contaminate our clothing and our uniform. So so beginning the procedure. Okay, so we're using warm water. Then we get some soap in our palms and rub our hands to produce a lot of lather. Then we take the palm of one hand and place it on our other hand and then rub this way. And after this, we interlace our fingers so that the areas between our fingers get cleaned. And we have to constantly keep rubbing to um, get the pathogens off easily. And then for cleaning our nails, okay, we're not supposed to have stuff like nail polish and artificial nails on, but I do, but we're not supposed to actually have all that stuff. Anyway, so while cleaning the nails, we can use a cuticle stick if they're really dirty, or we can also do this, rub the nails on the palms of our hands if they're not as dirty, so they will get cleaned. And then after all of this, we should let water run over our hands and get all the lather away, washed away, and get our hands clean. Also, throughout the entire procedure, we have to make sure that our fingertips are facing downward, like this, so that water doesn't run back on our arms and contaminate the other parts. This is really important. And yeah, this is pretty much the whole procedure. And if you do not want to use soap and water, we can also use alcohol-based gels and lotions like sanitizers. But even after using those products for 6 to 10 times, we have to again use soap and water and clean our hands. So after all of this, we will take another clean and dry paper towel and dry our hands, turn the faucet off, and make sure that we dispose these off nice and proper way. We have to make sure we have a waste container around here somewhere, and these will go in there. So this is how we wash our hands and maintain hygiene and prevent the spread of diseases and germs from one person to another. So yeah, one should make sure that they wash their hands as often as possible.